trying to look behind these trees, see if I can see any rapid motion. Obviously, we have the base of the storm right here. There is a confirmed tornado on it. At least there was earlier, so it is the base of the storm should be moving directly my way. So I'm going to blast south once I feel is necessary. But I mean, you can see the inflow tail kinda. It's all hidden behind the trees on the right side, and I mean it's a pretty low base. So that's our current situation.